And while the circumstances behind this custody exchange and the nature of the relationship of the people involved is still unknown, the shooting has many tonight reflecting on the violence that erupted during an encounter that experts say can be, by nature, heated, emotional, and volatile. I'm continuing our team coverage tonight after speaking with a therapist specializing in toxic relationship recovery and also an expert witness in domestic violence cases. A variety of reactions to the shooting in Mint Hill, and among them, a sense of empathy and understanding. State Senator Woodson Bradley taking to Facebook to discuss how the violence police say happened during a child custody exchange hits close to home. She wrote, quote, "I've lived it. I've shouted it, and I'm going to give you a truth bomb. The most dangerous moment for a spouse with an abusive ex is at a custody exchange." She goes on to say, "My heart hurts right now." While police have not specifically said domestic violence played a role in the Mint Hill case, I spoke with therapist Natalie Jones about her experience as an expert witness in cases involving abusive relationships. She says it is not uncommon for custody exchanges to escalate.
One of the things that I typically see in cases like this are people who don't want to relinquish control of their children or custody of their children. And so a lot of times when they feel like, the other partner or the other spouse is getting the upper hand, then they become a lot more competitive, which increases violence.
Dr. Jones says she recommends people who are leaving a relationship and dealing with custody concerns to realize how people can evolve during the process.
Always proceed with caution. Always take veiled threats seriously, no matter, whether or not you've seen that person or experienced violence with them or not. Always do child custody exchanges in public places. Do it at the police department. Request civil standbys. Contact the police immediately if you are in the middle of the arrangement and you see the other person starting to escalate or poke the bear, so to speak, to make the situation more volatile.
Now, the North Carolina Coalition Against Domestic Violence tonight says if anyone is looking for support, resources, or safety planning specifically for custody exchanges, they can go to the organization's website. They list local shelters, which they say you can contact directly, and those shelters can work on a plan with you. We've got that information on WCNC.com and inside the WCNC Charlotte mobile app.